Happy Friday everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ICYMI. So on today's episode, we are actually going to talk about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphone called the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. So now we have a better look of this device and it actually looks pretty interesting. In other news, we have a brand new entry-level drone to talk about, and it is the DJI Mini SE. Alright, so if you're interested, remember to stay tuned to today's episode of ICYMI. So Samsung is expected to launch two foldable devices this year, and that includes the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, which is the successor to the current Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. After sharing a promo image of the device, serial leakster Evan Blass is back with a 360-degree visual of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. As seen earlier, the new Z Flip will feature a dual-tone design on the top cover. The striking black panel will house a larger secondary display, while the dual camera setup is now aligned vertically. The flip phone will be offered in 4 colors, which includes black, gold, purple, and dark grey. And in terms of design, it looks much sleeker than the current phone, and the dual-tone looks does make it stand out a lot more. It still gets a single USB-C port at the bottom, while the right side of the top cover still features a volume rocker and a power button, which doubles as a fingerprint scanner. So what do you think about this smartphone? Let me know in the comments below. So it appears that our senior minister has announced an enhanced movement control order in selected areas in Kuala Lumpur and also Selangor. This will be enforced for 14 days from the 3rd of July 2021 until the 16th of July 2021. EMCO areas will be closed off and controlled by the Royal Malaysian Police. So under EMCO, only one person is allowed to travel for buying necessities within the 10 km radius. And those who have a COVID-19 vaccine appointment may cross district and state borders by showing their MySejahtera app on the day of the appointment. During the EMCO period, only essential services are allowed to operate from 8 AM until 8 PM. As for manufacturing sectors, only factories that produces daily essentials such as food are allowed to operate. Employees of non-essential economic sectors are required to work from home. DJI has quietly released their entry-level drone called the DJI Mini SE. And it seems like this drone appears to be a renamed version of the Mavic Mini from 2019. And if you're interested, it seems like this drone is now available to purchase in Malaysia. The DJI flagship store on Lazada has a listing for the DJI Mini SE with the base model costing 1,349 ringgit. This includes the drone, its controller, a battery pack, a spare pair of propellers and control sticks, a micro USB cable, a communication USB-C cable, a gimbal protector, 3 RC cables and 6 spare screws. You can also get it as part of a Fly More combo for 1,829 ringgit, which gets you everything above plus an extra 2 battery packs and spare propellers, 16 spare screws, screwdriver, carrying bag and 2-way charging hub. We are also seeing the base model and combo bundle on sale on the same price on SenQ's website. Incidentally, the Lazada listing on the DJI flagship store has up to 10 different variants on sale, where you can get the base or combo option with extra accessories such as an extra battery pack or carrying bag. But if you prefer to get the Mavic Mini from 2019, this drone is going on sale for only 1,199 ringgit. Digital National Berhad has appointed Swedish telecommunications Ericsson to be its partner to build Malaysia's 5G network. This decision was made after a tender exercise that started in March. 5G is set to be available in KL, Putrajaya and Cyberjaya by the end of this year. It will cost 11 billion ringgit across 10 years, and it aims to deliver 80% of the population coverage by 2024. And in 2022, they will cover major cities and districts which include Selangor, Penang, Johor, Sarawak and also Sabah. So the Digital National Berhad is a government-owned SPV, and other telcos will need to get their 5G access through a wholesale agreement. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like our video if you liked it and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also click on the notification bell icon so you can stay updated to our future videos. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Happy Fridays!